one of the big problems today is that people are more concerned with finding someone and getting into a relationship than they are with finding themselves. They are just obsessed. So many people, they just have this this idea that they can't be complete unless they find their soulmate. And I really don't even blame people so much, because so much of who we are is due to the conditioning that we've received since we've been born. And on the movies, on the music, you just over and over and over, we get pounded and conditioned into our head these bullshit ideologies, you complete me. And, you hear it on music all the time, and I realize this now, and it's almost hard to listen to, and you hear the patheticness of so much music. That's how they're, I'm lost without you, baby, and, you complete me, and you're my everything in my world. And no, self-actualization is the most important, should be the primary goal of your life, finding yourself. And you're never gonna find yourself being in a relationship. You find yourself by going your own way, by going on the single journey, not from jumping from relationship to relationship, thinking that somebody else is going to complete you. And I think that's a big problem today, is that people jump from relationship to relationship, and even if they're not in a relationship, they're obsessed with dating apps. They're on dating apps. I have friends who claim to be, red pill aware and going their own way, yet that, they're constantly on dating apps, going out with, multiple different women all the time, and they never take any time to really, truly get to know themselves. Self-actualization and knowing thyself, that is the height of philosophical knowledge. And like I said, that really should be your the primary goal of a man, is to know themselves, know thyself. And how can you, if you're not even healed and really truly know yourself, then, and you get into a relationship, you're just going to be bringing frustration into that relationship, because you don't even know you. How is someone else supposed to know you? And how are you supposed to, if you do get into a relationship, it should be in a situation where you guys are at a point that, you could be happy with or without someone, that you don't need someone to complete you, that you are complete on your own. What a concept. And that's why I feel in my heart that men especially, they need to be single for a long period of time in their life, and really for indefinitely. There is no requirement that you have to get into a relationship, that you have to get married. That is a condition that has been put upon us by society, that you're going to end up as this lonely old person. But I've been single now for going on almost 10 years now, and I have more peace and happiness in my life than anybody I know that's in a relationship. They're always, people that are in a relationship, they're always fighting. Not saying everybody, but for the most part, they're fighting. They're bickering all the time. Where I don't have that in my life. I have a lot of peace and happiness in my life, and I attribute a lot of it due to the years of being single and getting to know myself and love myself, and really getting to know myself from the years and the years of staying in on the weekend.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto US 19, alternate north.
And meditating and working on myself. That's what I attribute the peace to. And now that, I'm at this place right now, I see how many women out there have crazy mental problems, that I don't want to bring their frustration into my life. And so that's why I
take the second right onto US 19, alternate north, then turn left onto Broadway.
I like being single and enjoying my peace and happiness. So guys, stay single, get to know yourself. Knowing thyself is number one.